I am Emmanuelle Cambau. I'm a clinical microbiologist from Paris, France, and I'm the education officer of ESCMID. That means I'm in charge of the educational program and activities. And the next ECCMID, which is the ESCMID Congress, will be a very big one and very interesting for not only education but also research. But if you are interested in education, that means know more about your work in infectious disease, clinical microbiology, infection control, then you can come and you should come. We'll have many educational workshops on basic management of infection in humans, but we have also very good research meetings on tuberculosis, mycobacterial infection, urinary tract infections, CNS infections, many things you know, but also many things you don't know about new alternative strategies, emerging resistance to antimicrobials, and probably also many sessions on vaccines and diagnostics. So this is very interesting for young trainees as well as senior researchers and of course teachers. So you can get new things and also meet people you know and also other people you want to know for a long time. So I really give the advice to join us at the ECCMID 2024 in Barcelona, Spain, which is also a very nice city.